Mastering the art of swallow dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unpack the phrase, swallow dive. It's a vivid phrase that can bring to mind some clear images once you understand it. So, let's dive right in. The term, swallow dive, has its origins in the natural world, drawing a parallel with the swift, graceful dive of a swallow bird into water. In English, this phrase is most commonly associated with sports, particularly diving and football. Soccer. In diving, a swallow dive refers to a specific type of dive where the diver jumps up, extends their arms out to the side, and then brings their arms together as they enter the water, mimicking the wings of a swallow. In football, it describes a situation where a player falls or dives intentionally to deceive the referee into awarding a foul. Not the most honest move, but part of the colorful language of the sport. Beyond sports, swallow dive can also be used metaphorically. It can describe someone diving into a new experience with enthusiasm and grace, or it could imply a sudden drop or fall in a more negative context, such as a swallow dive in profits or morale. And that's a wrap on swallow dive. Whether you're watching a graceful athlete or describing an enthusiastic start, you now have a richer understanding of this expressive phrase. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in no time.